Hey, we're live. Is this actually working? That's weird, because it says no internet access, and it also is giving me the bandwidth indicator, so one of those things is lying. I'll just assume I'm live again. I'll just assume this is working. Alright, so yeah, it's a little weird that the corners of this image are all different colors, because like it can't really sit on a background if they're all different colors, but I'll just find the color that looks least weird, or I'll try and find the tone that looks least weird. Which I guess will probably be somewhere in this range, maybe. I don't know. That's about as good as it gets. I mean, we could just go in and tidy up the asset so it looks a little cleaner. Yeah, maybe. Nah, whatever, that's fine. I don't know if I like it flat gray either. I think I want it actually to be like slightly tonal, like slightly colorized. It's like saturation, more saturation. Yeah, even that's just like a little bit better. A little less value, or a little more value. Uh, yeah, I'll go something like that probably. All right, cool. Um, so I guess the only thing about having the pretty art is that now I have to basically like duplicate all of these slots, because not only do we have the slots, but we have the what is it just puts these things in like random orders. What the heck? Whatever. Um, so we also have we need the indicators for the contents of the inventory slots. So uh, I guess I'll rename these to like icon or something. Icon 0. It would be nice if they actually like kept a sensible order, but whatever. I don't care. Icon 7. Here, I'll just copy the word icon and paste it in a bunch of places. Just all the clicking. Clicking. Too slow clicks, too fast clicks. One slow, too fast. One slow, one slow, too fast. One slow, one slow, too fast. Look how fascinating this is. So I'm probably never going to change this UI, because I don't feel like changing this UI ever again. Once we get this set up, this is just how it's going to be forever. Yeah. Because now, yeah. All right. So now, the fun thing is I kind of need to reference these things as well in the script, I think. So yeah. Well, these are, I guess, game objects, not just transforms. So I need so we have the inventory buttons, and so let's have public game object array inventory icons as well. Save that. And right, so now we can collapse the buttons for a second. We only need 16 icons, because the icons for these buttons don't actually ever change, just the inventory. Wait a second. Actually, no, maybe this is silly. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this as a maybe I shouldn't be doing this as game objects. Maybe I should be doing this as like huh. Uh huh. Yeah, no, I should keep track of this, because the inventory spaces are actually, they mean more than just the iconic representation. Like, these are gonna have like gameplay implications. Uh, Sorry, I have coffee today, because yesterday I crashed so hard at around like 6 Eastern Standard Time. I was just like dying because I had had a cup of coffee early in the morning, and yep. But I came prepared this time. I'm learning, I'm getting better. hopefully. So, um, I feel like I should make these things buttons as well. I guess that would kind of, if I made these things, yeah. Wait, if I use the buttony backdrop for, oops, for these things, then it would kind of drive home the fact that the fact that oh wait, cancel button. Whoops. Yeah, wait, hold on. So I need cancel icon too. Cancel button and cancel icon. Yeah, I guess I don't know. Maybe by using the same border, it'll drive home the fact that these are all buttons, and that you can click on all of these things. Hopefully, because you can click on all of these things. So I don't know. That seems sensible enough. So whoops, didn't actually mean to parent it to the other one. It's meant to put them next to each other. So we have cancel button and cancel icon. Now I'll put the icon further forward in space. So like, I'll put it at like this position. And the cancel icon will keep the XE imagey thingy, and then the cancel button will get the buttony whatever, which is not going to show up because the cancel icon is not set to be transparent yet. Transparent diffuse. Yeah. All right. Cool. Buttons. And so I guess I should do this with the dialog too, just to keep the UI consistent. So. Wait, why did that? Oh, they were using the same material. Interesting. Well, whatever. Confirm icon, confirm button. So actually confirm button became the confirm icon. But I should copy paste the confirm button. Whatever. Or no, wait. No. Wait, what did I just do? I meant to do that with the cancel button, not the confirm button. Whoops. Okay, so copy and paste cancel button to make the cancel icon, which is this. Oh no. I'm getting a cannot connect to chat message, but I seem to still be broadcasting. That's weird. I wonder what that's about. Oh, hey. Wow, yeah, actually, you know what's funny is chat is broken on this computer. Oh, okay, there it comes back. But actually, chat was working the whole time on my other computer. So, Lion, hey, sorry, chat was broken when you came in. But so yeah, things are going well so far. We're making. I was actually just hooking up the background icon-y art thingy to the UI to make things look like buttons, and icon 13. Is icon 13 actually broken? Hold on, I'll look at that in a second. But yeah, chat was broken. Sorry about that. No, it was not TwinSpectre. It was just the internet being the internet. No, I didn't even notice it, but I hadn't plugged in my Ethernet cable when I started, and I think things got weird because I plugged in my Ethernet cable and it switched from Wi-Fi to Ethernet, and then actually the stream went down, and then the stream came back up, as you might have noticed. But yeah, we're all right. So I think we're good now, hopefully. Or fingers crossed. All right. Cancel icon. All right, so we have cancel icon. I'm gonna put this on the level of confirm icon, and then yeah, cancel button is gonna get this treatment. Cool. Oh, and so is confirm button. Cool. All right. Look how great this UI looks. Super top notch great is how good it looks. Super mega great forever is how this looks. All right, so back to the inventory. Now that we figured that out, just so that in case I forget to leave these, UIs deactivated, I'm going to say inventory. I'm going to spell it correctly. I'm going to say inventory screen dot set act on start. We're just going to make sure that they're set active false for starters, in case I forget to do that manually. Donation dialog dot set active false. Yeah, because I'm probably gonna forget to do that eventually and whatever. All right. Yeah. So what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was in the inventory. Am I done in the inventory? Or no? Oh, someone was saying icon 13 is broken forever. Oh yeah, thank you. It wouldn't have actually affected anything, but yeah, no, that would have triggered my OCD as well. Uh, so 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 then, what were we doing? Yeah, right. So oh yeah, right, I was thinking. All right, so we do need the inventory icons, but huh, yeah. Um, so yeah, I guess I just have to hook those up. So the script now needs to reference the icons as well. Inventory icons, 16 of them. Oh, thank goodness they're all in a weird order, or else it might be easy to plug these in. But at least the numbers correspond now. So 2 to 2. Was it with Unity and the incapacity to put things in a normal order? Is there like a sort button somewhere? I'm guessing the sort button would actually do worse things than just the random order. I don't know. Like Unity does a lot of stuff really well, and then there are a few things that I would just not trust it. Like I wouldn't trust it with someone else's project. Um, like I don't know. It's mostly just like fiddly little things. So like it's usually not like fundamental or critical problems, but it's just funny. It just lends like a really funny haphazard impression to an otherwise like sweet experience. Cool. All right. So now when the inventory changes, we can visually represent that. So the dev aesthetics, Leet Rich. So that the dev screen, which I'm going to collapse this, and I'm probably never going to expand this ever again, and we'll never see it ever again. Those aesthetics, the aesthetics in the hidden panel, that no end user will ever see, and we'll even probably almost never have to look at again ever. But yeah, no, I know what you mean. That would have worked for me too. I mean, if you'd never pointed it out, I probably never would have noticed. But if once you pointed it out, I had to fix it, of course. Um, so, all right, yeah, I guess I can start like making the actual items themselves or something. Um, oh yeah, no, you know what? There is one last thing I have to do in the inventory. I have to make a new thing. So I copy paste this, and it has to be. I need an indicator for the highlight. Uh, so let's look at the inventory for a second. The highlight is going to be. Actually, I should have. Actually, instead of copying this one, I'm going to copy icon 0, copy paste. Uh, the highlight is going to be even slightly higher than the. Oh wait. All the icons are supposed to be at this height, so that they draw in front of the tiles themselves. Oops. Select all. Paste. Paste. What is your problem? Does that work? Yeah. All right, that worked at least. I don't know. Whatever. All right, and this will be even higher. So this will be like, I don't know, like -2 or something. I don't care. And highlight. Cool. What type of game are you making? Literich. Uh, oh yeah, I know what I'll do for the highlight. We'll do. Let's open Paint.net, or super professional image editing software. Let's open this inventory slot so we can get like a matching curvature, and let's push it to the limit. Now let's copy paste and slide it up 2 clicks, and then copy paste, slide it down 2 clicks. Oops, nope, not that. Let's copy paste and slide it over 2 clicks, and let's I know that one technically like breaks the gradient. How bad does it break the gradient? Oh, I know what I'll do. All right, deselect. Wait, so 1/6. So copy paste over 1 click. Copy paste over 1 click. There we go. So that's a little bit smoother for the gradient. We're not breaking it that much. Hopefully it won't be perceptible. And then, oh, actually, we're getting rid of the gradient altogether. I don't know why. I was pretending that that was important. Anyways, yeah, no, that's that was definitely not an important step. Copy paste, because what we're doing is I want to keep this like roundiness, but I want to use it for evil. No, for for another purpose. Specifically, let's drop down the tolerance a bit. Oops. Yeah, so that we don't get the corners. And then let's am I doing soft edges? I think, yeah, soft edges, I guess. I don't know how soft it's gonna turn out, but let's no, not that color. Actually, that color? No, it should be like bright and selectiony. It's like, I don't know, maybe like orangey. But not quite so bright. No. Oh, orange is weird. So, red, blue, green, blue, red, purple, pink, purplish maybe? I don't know. But not so bright. Excuse me. Now, what color do I want to use for this selection? And why do I care this hard? I guess just like, yeah, I don't know, this is probably fine. No. Red sounds bad, but like, purple is fine. Maybe. I don't know, we can always recolor it very easily if this turns out not to be fine. Alright, Lee Rich, see you when you get back, maybe. I don't know. Also, I'm gonna do one last thing real quick. I'm gonna do this selection thing differently. I'm gonna do it like this, because this one, the corners get selected differently. No, you know what? I'm not gonna do either of those things. Yeah, wait, no, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a new layer. I'm gonna use the ellipse or the rounded rectangle tool. I'm just gonna figure out what pixel width, because it's about pixel width that affects how rounded the corners are. So actually, you know what? I don't have to get it pixel perfect either. This is probably close enough. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, that's pretty close. I can probably make it a little bit thicker. It's like 6 or like 7. That's probably fine. This is probably legit. Totally fine. Wait, 8 maybe? 8 is a little bit cleaner. Yeah, 8 is fine. We're just gonna do that. Alright. So just leave this other layer. I don't know why I felt like I had to get that perfect. Definitely not important. Not critical. File save as highlight .ping. Okay. And now, yeah, so alpha is transparent. Let's put this on highlight and make sure that the texture is also transparent. It's diffuse. There we go. Alright, so now we can like highlight. No, I don't like that. Wait, no, I know what I can do. I can just bump up the size slightly. Just cheat the scale up, like 1.1. 1.1. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah, because now it just fits cleanly around the icons. Should that be a lighter tone? Maybe select all, adjustments, brightness, contrast. Just make it like a lighter tone, because it doesn't really pop on the background as much as I was hoping it would. Save that. Popper. That pops more popfully. Power Fear. Hey, how's it going? Hey. So sure, that's awful. That is awful. Why did I think that was a good color? So let's adjust the hue, and saturation and whatnot. Alright, so the hue will be, yeah, it'll just be blue. It'll just be light blue. And it'll be more saturated and lighter. More saturated. All the saturated. A little bit more lightness. That's fine, probably. Alright, save that. That's probably fine. Oh, that's actually very subtle. So, huh. I want it to stand out, I just don't want it to be dumb looking. So maybe the selection will be greener, and the background will be bluer, or something like that, I don't know. I don't know why I'm having so much difficulty getting this to look good. Or like to look at anything at all. That's fine. Let's ship it. No, although the edges are like schma, a little bit schma, so maybe if I go to 0.5, 1.05, is that better? Yeah, that's probably better. 0.05. Alright, super doesn't really actually matter, but yeah. Wizards! Yeah, so we the only character we have in the game right now is the wizard baby. So yeah. But you can give the wizard baby things, sort of, except you can't. All you can do is open your inventory and close it again. Or you don't even have to open your inventory. You can instead just hit the cancel button. What a game. Right, so the first thing that we're working on is like the inventory, I guess, because that's going to be very central to the game itself. And once we have the inventory working, we can actually make the game itself. Because right now we're making a lot of like trappings for the game, which I know I railed against yesterday. But today has to be all about gameplay, because now we're like set up to deliver on the type of game that we described. Like we can make this map as big as we want it to. Right now it's 101 it's 101 units by 101 units. But like if anyone actually made a map for this game, like we could make this game as big as we wanted to. And then